one. Hello, my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe, my darling people. So then I about Tatalicious again. He get one of his video when I come across, So the video really makes sense. So I would like more than listening because whether she really talk na truth. He said because people they say she na in a bad person, in a this, in a that. You go invite Nigeria, you can't fool them. So you can't talk one to say, they force those people make they can't see am. Now toast they toast am. And in they always talk am because say come across one video where one guy do say in we get sickness, they see they come they see am. So now you come they tell say but him dey always talk am for live video say him get sickness. He no dey hide am. Na wetin him dey always talk all the time na truth. He dey always talk am. No be now me start to dey even dey follow Tatalicious. He dey talk am all the time say him get this sickness o and him na man. But they still dey toast am, still dey wan come see am. So what are we not talking about here? He even get the time wey Kevin comot. One Nation guy call am too now. One Nation guy call am say wan see am. You can't put that for video. So, you say not know why people they blame her. Because those people they know this thing and you not force them say make they can't see am. So why people will come they say in a bad person? And a truth. Listen to what he talk. Because this one not be waiting.
What have you cooked for dinner? Bruce, go sit down. Bruce, go sit down. I'm speaking with your father.
Okay.
What are you eating, my love?
Okay. Another one again.
You make my days good, though.
Okay.
Let me finish with the dishes. Okay, my love. I'll be waiting for your call. I love you. Okay, baby. That's my man.
Okay.
So now, Nigeria, my bank is full of men. Nigerian men. You cannot stop Braga. Especially now I'm bleaching. Now I'm white as snow. Snow white tata. You see my skin? Now bleach. From your country. Everything I use is Niger. Niger influence. You de lie. I go scatter you one.
Okay.
What can you do? How market? I de scatter you one. Until you learn to respect people. If you see someone with HIV, it doesn't mean that they are dying. Stop discriminating until you now know that HIV people are people. Transgenders are people. What is so special about Nigeria anyway? What is so special? That you can look down upon HIV positive people. They cannot date because they have HIV. But your men, they like Nyash. Ask them, oh. Ask them. Ask them. So I will change, man. I wanted to play since I am 27 hours pregnant. Since I'm 27 hours pregnant, before I go, I want to play this song from Simi for my baby, my Igbo baby, Igbo he got. Let me sit nicely. For my Igbo he got.
So una hear wetin he talk say Nigerians we dey make dem dey feel say we dey make him dey feel say he no go come see person wey go carry am. E get another one wey he do again. Wait, whether na this one.
I was on a platform one Nigerian guy who lives in Germany. I just wanted to grace his platform.
Now this one.
You can never reach these views in a few seconds or in your lifetime. I'm blessed to entertain. But at the same time, no one is forced to come into my vicinity.
Okay.
So
Una
I
hear?
want you Nigerians, I know you are very educated. Go back to the drawing board and see who is now wrong. The sick person or the people coming to fuck the sick person. If my HIV was hidden, you would say that Tatalicious is spreading.
You know, hide down.
Even cats and dogs, they know that I'm HIV positive.
Even cats
You
and
still
dogs.
kill. You still kill. Ask yourself, you Nigerian people who are making noise on social media. Don't we have Nigerian women in Sweden? Don't we? Cheers, I'm drinking 100% juice feeding my HIV. Cheers. Don't we have Nigerian women in Sweden? But you Nigerian women, your men have abandoned you to settle for a sick person. Not just a sick person with mental illness, but a sick person who is HIV positive. Okay. Not just HIV positive.
Not be live video they talk
a
and
sick person who is a man with boobs, fake boobs, who is sick now. Because peace be still. Because me, I cannot stop. Sick people, they want to be fucked. Go into mental houses. Go into anywhere, they still fuck. I'm just not into the mental health facility because it's Corona time. They are not taking any new patients. It's Corona time. So they decided to give me my mental health medicine at home.
You even get mental problem.
I'm telling you.
That's why they talk and some people they get brain problem, but they're not getting know. You even get mental.
Nigerians come. I love you. You hear your brother? I love you. Okay. You heard your brother yesterday in Tatalicious. You could even spell my name, Tatalicious. You heard your brother, Tatalicious. And they still want that nyash.
Yeah.
With shit. Nyash is nyasho. Whether it's clean as what, it smells like shit. You carry nyash, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm talking about. Nyash is nyash. Don't say I have clean nyash. Does it come shit? So nyash is nyash. So people, take a chill pill. Especially these Nigerians who want to
and this part I just want to know
HIV. Was anyone forced to come here?
Okay. You not force them.
My in-laws.
And the truth. You not force them, make they come. And they by themselves come.
To go for a market of a sick person. Mentally. This is not a boy who was stranded. This is a Swedish citizen, Nigerian boy.
Citizen.
Who came to my market.
Yes.
My in-laws watch market. And you women,
even get wife and pikin,
who are insulting Zimbabwean women, don't be fools. Have you ever seen a Zimbabwean man running for transgenders? Give us a reference. Which Zimbabwean men, any social media have you seen going for transgenders? Okay. It shows that our men are well mannered. Okay. They know the definition of a woman.
When I hear what you talk, you see whether we don't see the Bible, we don't come see her. No. Only Nigerians they fool yourself. Nigeria they do now this thing. Some of them they do now. When I hear what you talk, Zimbabwe man never come see her more. Now only Nigeria. I beg. This one a big foolish.
Nigeria. Do you even know the definition of a woman?
See,
Mumu.
You see,
you see this red lipstick and you call me a woman? Shit.
Okay.
Shame on you. And after this video, you see again in a few weeks' time, I bring another Nigerian. I wonder what is happening to Nigeria.
You say after this one now, wake up month. Or not that one will come again. And I truth.
Your youth are lazy.
Okay.
Your young boys are lazy. Teach them. Me, it's just because I went for my operation recently. But very soon I'll be starting to resume my job as a cleaner. Okay. I clean toilets. I clean toilets for a living. Ask people who know me.
Toilets they clean for a living.
Yeah. I'm a boy who works, so go teach your boys to work. When you see us drive Navaras, when you see us living in Porsche, we work for it. Okay. We work for it all. You have never seen me looking for fake dick to fuck me. I look for real boys, preferably Nigerian. Your population is too big, so you have a lot of men to offer.
Okay.
What other reason?
So the part.
How market?
You see, after this one, another one will come again.
Showered in.
Oh.
I think I'm pregnant though.
You
bet. We work for it all. You have never seen.
The video too long, I know if you play everything. Now hear what he talk. You see, after this one, another Nigeria go still go. We'll see here am now see am. Because I don't believe so another one will go again after Kevin. I shocked her lies. When I see another one again, I was like, una dey okay. Una hear what he talk. Zimbabwe man never come see am. Only Nigeria. Only Nigeria, they fool themselves. In fact, they do now this one. They do now. Nigeria, they do now. What do you see for Tatalicious body? Tatalicious get sickness, they talk am. Tatalicious not the hide his sickness. What do you now want from Tatalicious? What do you now want? I dey shame una shame for una. I dey shame una shame. Really? If you say we really look am, not force them make they come. Now they by themselves use their 2 legs to go there. He not force them. So I go blame her. No go blame her. Now then, our boys now will go blame because now then they go to fool themselves. So now this part I just want more now here. Because I don't want to do this Tatalicious topic again, but I can't see this part where if I talk now, I say, okay, I have to play a more and really see him. Not force anybody. My the same matter. So now the matter where they grand my bonga people. Thank you and God bless you for watching. And anything you think about the video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Share this video so that you can even go to your brother where one go misbehave tomorrow, so that he go see say Tatalicious must show you for live video. If you go there, it must on live video and show you. When I remember Kevin, where Kevin speak, he say, "Oh, or what fool man, or what disgrace man," because Kevin never expect say go disgrace him. This one again, you don't see expect him. Because it's a public disgrace. Thank you. Bye, everybody. Bye.